This conference will now be recorded.
NASDAQ under pressure, Amazon getting clobbered. No real surprise here. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It's Bubba's morning update, and I'm doing a morning update today because I'm actually off to Las Vegas, a couple days of vacation, but I wanted to make sure I got everybody informed on what I saw and what's going on. So we just take a quick look. Amazon is under pressure, down about 30 bucks, as we said yesterday that we would expect Amazon to, sell off a little bit from that high ceiling ahead. Now, again, I don't think the markets have changed. I don't think anything's really different, but the NASDAQ is under heavy pressure, as we can see, down about 80 points right now. And if we look at the short-term market here, just to get a general view, you can see it went straight down right after the opening, and it's under pressure. Again, I would not be surprised at all if buyers stepped in. This is not the green light. Volume is not really great, but so the NASDAQ is getting plummeted versus the Dow that really had tried to rally. Okay, so interesting things going on right now in the markets. We're not looking. We're still very patient and very cautious as we just take a quick brief look. And of course, the S&P down, not quite as bad as the NASDAQ, and the Russell similar to the NASDAQ, but not quite as bad. So we're seeing pretty much of a mixed market. And of course, we've got the jobs number on Friday, and I don't see any real major reason to think anything is going to happen, major one way or the other. Now, again, I do believe that if something big does happen, it will be to the downside, but I am not at all really that involved. And I would tend to be more on the conservative side right now, waiting for a solid footprint. We did buy a little silver this morning, and that looks pretty good. Looks like it's coming back to a level that you can step in. Bitcoin is under a little bit of pressure overnight, as you can see. The bonds are, broke a little bit, but they're only down a little bit. But again, the higher dollar, okay, which is a little bit lower today, but the higher dollar, okay, with everything else that's going on, indicates, which is what we're calling for our black swan event. Okay, the dollar held at 94.5, 95 level and was moving higher. The crude reality is under pressure, which is what we've expected. The meats, okay, pretty much flat, down slightly for feeder cattle, slightly for hogs, slightly for fat cattle or live cattle. Again, there's not a lot going on, and I would not be at all surprised to see the markets find buyers here. Okay, that's the key here, is not to get too overly excited or try to force the market in one direction or another. Let's let them trade. Let's watch them, because again, volumes are fairly light, so there's not anything really overly exciting. Gold did hold that bottom we talked about, and of course, it's in that consolidation range. So my point to you is very simple. It's still a quiet holiday week. You've still got not a lot going on. You've got the jobs number on Friday. Okay. So at the end of the day, let's be patient. Let's be cautious. We'll keep you updated. I will update you from Vegas, but this will be the last update for today. Again, I would not be surprised if we sold off hard, but I'd more likely expect to see some buyers step in. As we've seen almost every day when we had a sell off, we saw buyers step in. So in the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update. Don't forget to check out our high school investing program at patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And then also don't forget to get the Bubba Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. Have a great day, everybody. Sorry it's short. Sorry it's early, but I want to make sure that I provide information for everybody. So let's be careful. Let's be cautious. Let's watch how the markets trade here. Have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you tomorrow from Las Vegas.